The baguette was introduced in Vietnam by the French at the end of 19th century. Vietnamese people call this wheat bread Banh Mi. Nowadays, this term also refers to some generous Vietnamese sandwiches. I show you how to make the banh mi with 3 sorts of pork meat: Vietnamese ham, Vietnamese pork roll, and crispy ground pork shoulder. Here are the ingredients for 4 sandwiches. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. You can watch my videos to learn how to make the Vietnamese ham, the Vietnamese pork roll, and some mayonnaise. To prepare the crunchy pork, cut 200 grams of pork shoulder into chunks. Put them in a saucepan. Then add half teaspoon of salt, 2 peeled garlic cloves, and 20 centiliters of water. Mix. Put the lid on and cook over medium heat for 20 minutes. Stir them halfway through the cooking. To prepare the pickles of vegetables, grate a carrot, mince an onion, then add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of white rice vinegar. Mix and let marinate. Cut half a cucumber into sticks. Cut a chili into chunks. Cut in thin slices the Vietnamese pork roll, and the Vietnamese ham. Blend the thin pieces of pork and the garlic cloves. Put 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. When the oil is hot, add the pork. At first, stir from time to time. When it begins to brown, regularly stir until it becomes golden. All the ingredients are ready. We can now prepare the sandwiches. Cut 1 long piece of bread. Spread 2 teaspoons of mayonnaise. Garnish with slices of Vietnamese pork roll, some vegetable pickles, some cucumber, some slices of Vietnamese ham, some cilantro, some chili, some crispy pork pieces, finally add a few drops of Maggi seasoning. The banh mi sandwich is ready. Bon appétit! This banh mi sandwich is very delicious and generous. The taste of the Chinese rotisserie comes from the 5 spice powder and from the char siu of Vietnamese ham. The crispy pieces of pork shoulder bring something almost magic with a little scent of fried garlic. The cilantro and the pickles add freshness. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.